Hello, my name is Haley Carlson and I am in the Building Leadership program. I am a distance student completing all of my courses online. This is just a little bit about me. I am 24 years old and I was born and raised in Manhattan, Kansas. I am still living in Manhattan and I teach English at Manhattan High School. This is the high school that I actually graduated from, and the principal that is in charge of me right now is actually the principal that graduated my class in 2012. After leaving high school, I attended K-State to complete my bachelor's degree in secondary English education. My student teaching semester was completed at the Junction City Freshman Success Academy, and from there I rejoined the Manhattan High family to be a 9th grade English teacher. I've been at Manhattan High for 3 years, teaching 9th grade all 3 of those years. But next year for my 4th year, I'm taking a leap and trying out 11th grade. So I will be teaching American literature. Recently, I chose to do building leadership as my master's program because I am incredibly passionate about creating positive school environments for students and staff. I have great examples of leadership during my teaching career, and that is something that I want to carry on for future students and staff. That leader himself, pictured here in this photo, is the reason why I picked Fort Hays State. The cost is low and it is conveniently all online, but more than that, he is the leader that I want to someday be. And he recommended it. He also went to Fort Hays State for his master's. So that was the reason why I chose it. I've been a student under him and I've been a teacher under him. And in both situations, I have been extremely supported and encouraged no matter what. So that is a legacy that I want to continue because it's really important to me. Through this program, I am expecting to gain a better understanding on what it takes to be a positive school leader, and I'm hoping it will continue my passion for working in schools and creating positive environments for everyone. A little bit about me. I'm expecting this program to help me accomplish some of my personal and professional goals. My personal goals are very family focused. I will be getting married on May 23rd, 2020 to my fiance, Ben. In the next 5 years or so, we hope to start a family, and then within 6 to 10 years, we want to choose a community to settle into and become invested in and involved with. 10 years and beyond that, I'm hoping to have a good family and work balance so that all areas of my life are well supported and well encouraged. As for professional goals, within the next 5 years, my goal is to graduate with my master's in building leadership. My goal has always been to have my master's before my 27th birthday, and I think that is still attainable. In the next 6 to 10 years, I would like to gain administration experience through obtaining a role as an assistant principal of a building, and then thinking past that for the next 10 years and beyond, positively impacting a school community as a leader is my biggest goal. I am really excited and so grateful for the opportunity to continue my education and reach more lives, and I look forward to this journey and many new opportunities to come. Thank you.